Which of the following leaf modifications occur in the desert areas to inhibit the water loss? So here it is talking about the desert areas. In these desert areas and again the semi-arid areas, the leaves will going to undergo different modifications in order to protect and also in order to conserve the water present in its body. That means in these desert areas, the leaves will be in the form of thorns, needle shape, feather shape, and also with the waxy and again the hard shape in order to prevent the transpiration or the loss of water to atmosphere. So in that way, the given questions, according to the given questions, let's see the statements. So hard and waxy layers, it is a correct one because in the desert areas, for example, this is a particular leaf. The presence of the hard and the waxy layer on the surface of leaf helps to prevent the water loss or helps to prevent the transpiration of water from the leaf to atmosphere. So it helps to reduce the water loss from the leaf surface in the form of making hard or waxy formats on the leaf lamina. So first one is a correct one. So without reading the two options, you can get to know the answer as, because D is the only option which has the first one, followed by tiny leaves. So if we compare a small leaf with a large leaf, these kinds of large leaves have the long leaf surface and also it has the greater capability of losing the water to atmosphere, whereas this kind of tiny leaves has the less surface area in order to lose the water to atmosphere. So these tiny leaves will act as a leaf modification in the desert areas to prevent the transpiration and water loss to atmosphere. So second one is also a correct one, followed by thorns instead of leaves. Instead of leaves, in these desert areas, these xerophytes will try to make the leaves into form of thorns in order to prevent the loss of water to atmosphere. So these all the three are the correct ones which have been modified in the leaves in the desert areas in order to prevent the loss of water to atmosphere. So all of them are the correct step. For the answer is D, 1, 2 and 3.